Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by choosing a narrow niche that matches your knowledge and an audience that pays. Once chosen, validate demand with quick keyword checks, forum threads, or a one-page survey so you know people care. Then create your first monetizable offer, a lead magnet, a relevant affiliate product, or a low-cost service. Make sure to capture emails immediately. Email turns casual readers into buyers. Start publishing the first 5 posts that directly lead to this offer. Once you have offers, scale with a content plan focused on pillars and supporting articles that answer purchase intent. You should publish consistently. Aim for 2 to 3 pillar posts and multiple support pieces each month. Optimize every post for search intent and internal linking so Google and readers find the path to buy. Then assemble a basic funnel, drive traffic to free content, convert with a lead magnet, and follow up with an email sequence that nurtures and pitches. This is where traffic becomes revenue. Finally, diversify revenue streams so one dip doesn't kill income. Add affiliate links, ads, sponsored posts, and your own digital product. Measure key metrics: traffic, conversion rate, subscriber lifetime value, and revenue per post, because data tells you what to double down on. If results stall, diagnose quickly. Test new headlines, tweak CTAs, and change traffic channels. Make sure to run one/B test at a time so you know which change caused improvement, and iterate until growth resumes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.